Shit. Fuck you!
Sanctimonious asshole.
Melina Huxley, you are fined 1/2 credit for a sotto voce violation of the verbal morality statute.
Thank you.
Gun. Noun. Portable firearm. This device was widely utilized in the urban wars of the late 20th century. Referred to as a pistol.
Look, I don't need a history lesson. Come on, Hal. Where the goddamn guns?
You are fined 1 credit for a violation of the verbal morality statute.
Fuck you.
Your repeated violation of the verbal morality statute has caused me to notify the San Angeles Police Department. Please remain where you are for your reprimand.
Yeah, right. Fuckers are fast, too.
You are fined 1 credit for violation of the verbal morality.
Fuck you, lady!
Smoking is not good for you. It has been deemed that anything not good for you is bad, hence illegal. Alcohol, caffeine, contact sports, meat.
Are you shitting me?
John Spartan, you are fined 1 credit for a violation of the verbal morality statute.
What the hell is that?
John Spartan, you are fined 1 credit.
Bad language, chocolate, gasoline, uneducational toys, and anything spicy.
Shit. You're a damn good fun.
You are fined 2 credits for a violation of the verbal morality statute.
I'll be right back. Thanks a lot, you shit bro.
You are fined. John Spartan, you are fined 5 credits for repeated violations of the verbal morality statute.
So much for the seashells. Why didn't you just shove a leash up my ass?
John Spartan, you are fined 1 credit for a violation.
But that's really fucking stupid.
19th and 20th century.
Oh, shit.
You are fined 1 credit for a violation of the verbal morality statute.
Motherfucker!
You are fined for a violation of the verbal morality statute.
Fuck it.
You are fined.
So what? He needs batteries? What size? I mean, where the fuck do you find batteries in the future? Was there a battery store around, motherfucker?
Excuse me, museum patron. Can I?
Well, where's the Radio Shack?
Oh, shit! They let anybody into this century! What the hell are you doing here? Simon says bleep! Great. Just great. I've been dreaming about killing you for 40 years. Well, keep dreaming. Wow! Oh shit!
Now reactivated.
It's about time. Class is over, John. Time for something new and improved.
Oh, hell.
I love this gun. God damn! Shit!
Who wants to take me to dinner at Pizza Hut? Though Lord knows I wouldn't mind a pizza. He's also one of the guys that built the goddamn cryo
John
prison.
Spartan, you are fined 1 credit for a
Thanks.
violation.
Then you were nice enough to wake me up and let me know everything that meant something in my life is gone. It would have been more humane to stake me down and leave me to the fucking crows.
John Spartan, you are fined 1 credit.
Complete access to the Industrial Data Grid Interface. Now I don't even know what that shit means. And none of them motherfuckers from New York. They're too uptight.
You had a full 10 seconds to figure out where to put the hole in your fucking head.
John Spartan, this display of barbaric behavior was unacceptable even in your time.
Yeah, but it worked. When a man like Phoenix has a gun to your head, 10 seconds is 9.5 seconds longer than you live. I wonder about this shithead.
John Spartan, you are
If you think you got this maniac under control, trust me, you don't.
Be well.
Be fucked.
John Spartan, you are fined 1 credit.
Look, I don't need a history lesson. Come on, pal. Where are the goddamn guns?
You are fined 1 credit for a violation of the verbal morality statute.
Fuck you.
Your repeated violation of the verbal morality statute has caused me to notify the San Angeles Police Department. Please remain where you are for the rest of the time.
Yeah, right. Fuckers are fast, too.
For violation of the verbal morality statute.
Smoking is not good for you. It has been deemed that anything not good for you is bad, hence illegal. Alcohol, caffeine, contact sports, meat.
Are you shitting me?
John Stanton, you are fined 1 credit for a violation of the verbal morality statute.
What the hell is that?
John Stanton, you are fined 1 credit.
Bad language, chocolate, gasoline, uneducational toys, and anything spicy.
Shit. You're a damn good guy.
You are fined 2 credits for a violation of the verbal morality statute.
I'll be right back. Thanks a lot, you shit.
You are fined for violations of the verbal morality statute.
So much for the seashells.
Why don't you just shove a leash on my ass? But that's really fucking stupid.
And 20th century.
You are fined 1 credit for a violation of the verbal morality statute. You are fined.
So what are these batteries? What size? I mean, where the fuck do you find batteries in the future? There's a battery store around, motherfucker?
Excuse me, museum patron. Can I?
Well, where's the Radio Shack? I've been here for 40 years. Keep drinking.
Complete access to the industrial data grid interface. Now I don't even know what that shit means. And none of them motherfuckers from New York. They're too uptight.
You got a full 10 seconds to figure out where to put the hole in your fucking head. Wonder about this shithead. You think you got this maniac under control. Trust me, you don't. Be well. Be fucked.
You are fined 1
Fuck you!
Sanctimonious asshole.
You are fined 1/2 credit for a solid object violation of the verbal morality statute.
Fuck you, baby.
Shit! Saved by the bell.
Wants to take me to dinner at Taco Bell. Working on with my burrito. He's also one of the guys that put the goddamn cryo
You are fined 1 credit.
Thanks. Then you were nice enough to wake me up and let me know everything that meant something in my life was gone. It would have been more humane to take me down and leave me to the fucking crows.